Hello my dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am your Deepti ma'am. Today we are going to learn about domestic animal. Do you know what are domestic animals? Domestic animals are those animals which are kept in our homes and farms.
Domestic animals. Domestic animals.
Let me show you some pictures of domestic animals. So first one is dog. Dog is domestic animal. And tell me which animal is this? Very good. This is a cat. This is a cat.
Meow, 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 meow. Billi karti meow.
Tell me which animal is this? Cow. Very good. This is a cow. You know which animal is this? Yes, you're right. Rabbit. Which animal is this? Rabbit. Which animal is this? Very good. This is a duck. This is a duck.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Pick the domestic animals. Cow is domestic animal. Monkey is no. Monkey is wild animal. Horse is domestic animal. Very good. So lion is wild animal. And the goat is domestic animal. The tiger is wild animals. The pig is domestic animals. Very good children. And the elephant is wild animals. And the hen is domestic animals. Very good children.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
The horse says neigh, 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 neigh. Guess who?
I hope you all are enjoying this. See you next class. Bye bye children.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.